After visiting like 133 countries, Iraq might be in top 5 to be honest. So this is supposed to have some really good dried grape juice. We finished the second cup so fast. I could honestly drink one of these huge bottles in this Iraq heat. Wallah, wallah, amazing. I honestly love Iraqi kebab. Before my trip, I wasn't familiar with Iraqi kebab. I've never tried them before. I don't know, sometimes one of them like is better than the other. I can't really choose which one is better. Salam alaikum and welcome to another day in Iraq. Today we are gonna have a whole foodie day around the capital city of Baghdad. Show you the most famous foods, try some foods I've never tried, and just see what all the hype is about the food here. So let's get into it. Let's go explore all around the city today. So this is the first spot we are about to eat today. It's called Rasul Kahi geymar, and it is very, very popular here for breakfast. So what you see right here is actually buffalo cream, and then they stuff it inside of this dough. We're gonna give it a try, show you how it's like. But Iraqis love to come here. They're just opening up now, so we're gonna be one of the first people to give it a try. Salam alaikum. شو اسمك؟ محمود. شرفنا اسمي وليد. So هذا Rasul Kahi geymar. So what you see here is a thick buffalo cream with some honey. هذا حليب. Some milk. And then right over here, this is Kahi. It's basically a traditional pastry here in Iraq, and they stuff the buffalo cream and all of that inside here. This is some syrup that they actually put on top of the Kahi to put it super sweet. And then here's a piece. Wow. And then they put a piece of the buffalo cream after, and then some pistachio. And then this is the final product. Rasul Kahi geymar. Kul yom. Every day people come and eat this. 24 hours, every day. Let's give it a try. We got our first meal of the day, breakfast here in Iraq. So Rasul Kahi geymar, it's a pastry, buffalo cream, pistachios, and then they also gave us some milk with some honey and some buffalo cream. And this is a typical way people love to start their day here, but this smells so good, man. I'm excited to give it a try. I can't wait to try this. That is some of the best milk I've ever had, but also some of the sweetest milk I've ever tasted anywhere. Ooh, one of these a day will get you going in the morning. That is a lot of sugar, but honestly very delicious. But it's time to try this. I've honestly been waiting like a week to try this. It's been on the back of my mind. I was like, I can't wait to get to Baghdad to give it a try. So finally giving it a try. So you're supposed to eat this dish with your hand. We've got a piece of the dough, piece of the buffalo cream inside of it. Let's give it a try. Yo. Rasul Kahi geymar. Very good. I love it. You got the piece of the dough, it's like very flaky, crunchy, warm, and then you got the buffalo cream, it's very cold, and together it just makes a perfect combo. And then at the same time it's like very sweet. I love sweets. If you like sweets, you have to try this. Must come visit Iraq, come try this for breakfast time. They're open all hours of the day too. One thing I love about Iraqi restaurants though, it's really cool, they just keep bringing you these unlimited waters, and these water cups are like free at every restaurant, and they're always ice cold. On a warm day, it's like the perfect thing to have. We're gonna finish up eating this now, and we got a lot more to try today. This is just the beginning. Let's go explore around more Baghdad. So that whole breakfast we had was 3,500 dinar, a little less than $3, 100% worth it. You gotta give it a try when you come here. I was trying to pay and he wouldn't take it at first. I was like, no, come on. And then finally, he was able to take it. But we're gonna go explore around this area now, Sadriyah. So this area has a lot of food. It's one of the famous food streets here. So we got some stuff to show you. We definitely gotta get some juices. Let's go explore around. Right in front of Rasul Kahi geymar, there is a tea shop, of course. One of many tea shops here in Iraq. You know, we gotta come get a quick tea while we're out here. They're all beautiful. I love the style of them, how they have all these paintings. We're just getting a quick tea to go. So you just pull up to the stores, they put some sugar, pour it for you right away. Shukran habibi. A dish? Roba. Roba here means 250. 250 dinar is around like 15 or 20 cents. You come get one of these cups of tea real quick. Great way to keep your day going. All of the cafes here in Iraq are so cool. They all have this type of style with all of these pictures everywhere in the wall. Thank you very much. My guy that works here just came up to me. He's like, thank you very much. I'm good. How are you? My name Waleed. Waleed. Palestine. Palestini. My name is Waleed. Let's give the tea a try now. That's some good stuff. This is the way to start a day. You get the Kahi geymar, come across the street, get a tea, and then you're good to go. It's gonna be a great day. We're gonna try this one. Zabeeb Abu Saud. So this is supposed to have some really good dried grape juice. They love this drink. It's called zabeeb here. You see it all over in Iraq, and we're gonna try it at this store. A lot of the locals, they just come while they're walking in this front window, grab it to go. This is what the juice is actually made up of. It's a bunch of dried up grapes, and then they just keep juicing it to make the drink zabeeb. Very famous here. Let's go get one of these juices. So all the locals, they just come get one quick to go. We got 4 of them. The whole store inside is just zabeeb. Literally everything here. What is zabeeb? It is this. It is these raisins right here. So it's dried up raisins. They make a juice out of it. You can either get one of the cups in these little small to-go cups or these huge bottles, which you see right here. A lot of the locals, they just get the huge bottles, take it to their house. But yeah, the whole store is basically just zabeeb, dried up raisins. And we're gonna get one of these. So let's show it to you. We got our cup of zabeeb. Let's give it a try. Man, this is so amazing. Ahsan zabeeb. Shukran. This is so amazing, man. I swear Iraq has the best juices in the world. My whole trip here, I've just been having juice every single day, any moment I get. But this is a really solid store. If you find your time here in Baghdad, you gotta come by this store. We finished the second cup so fast. I could honestly drink one of these huge bottles in this Iraqi. Wallah, amazing. For 1,000 dinar, you come here, you buy one, you keep going on with your day. Best way to spend a day, I swear. We had to get one more for the road. Let's keep the day going. We had a lot more to try, a lot more to see. Here we go. I was trying to leave and the owner like grabbed my shoulder and he gave this to me as a gift. He's like, this is for you. Man, what a guy. Shukran habibi. Shukran. شرفنا. أي ساعة بتسكر؟ 6 كل يوم. شرفنا. سلام. Man, we got the goods. We got one more juice. Now time to continue with the day. Got a lot more to see and a lot more to try. Here we go. So now for lunch, we are gonna have kebabs at this spot. Earlier today, this kid I met told me this is his best restaurant in this whole area. So in Iraq, they're very famous for the kebabs. We gotta give their kebabs a try, let you know how it tastes. Here's the inside of the kebab restaurant. It's a packed house out here. Everyone is eating. We're gonna head in the back and show you them cooking the kebabs. Welcome in the kitchen. So this is where all the magic happens. See them cooking all of the kebabs right here. You got the tomato skewers, you got the pieces of fat, you got the pieces of meat. Wow. Iraqi kebabs, best kebabs. They got thousands and thousands of kebabs just cooking all day on repeat. This place is super busy, as you can see. So over here, they divide all of the meat. In here, they put on the skewer, put it in there. I'm excited to try out these kebabs, see how it is. And then there's a station right here for all of the sides. You got the onions, the lemons, all the pickles. This usually comes with the plates whenever you order kebabs here. So you can see all the different types of kebabs here. You got normal ones with pieces of fat, liver, chicken. You got tomato skewers, onions, everything is here. It is time to go try some Iraqi kebabs today. Here we go. So first thing they bring out to you is a plate full of pickles. We got the lemon, the onions, and then they bring out the bread. Iraqi bread is must have when you have kebabs out here. So this is the menu they have. They also have it in English. So you can get meat kebab, chickens, meat tikka, hearts, liver, kidney. I love the way they spell chickens. Look at this. Chichens. What we ordered is 2 meat kebabs and 1 meat tikka. So this is the famous one. But we also gotta have tikka. I love tikka, so those are gonna be what we got. 3 of them for around 12,000 dinar, close to like $9-10 for the whole meal. Let's give it a try. We got our food, so they literally brought this out in less than a minute, like 45 seconds. We got the 1 meat tikka, and then we got the 2 kebabs right here. Let's give this a try. This looks so delicious, man. I'm hyped to try this. Let's give it a try though. Our first kebabs in the city. Bismillah. Wow. I honestly love Iraqi kebab. Before my trip, I wasn't familiar with Iraqi kebab. I've never tried them before. The outside is like crunchy and then the inside is like so soft. It just melts in your mouth every time you eat it. This place has great kebabs. Wow. This is definitely going up there as some of the top kebabs I've ever had. Iraq, the food has been really good. This is going up there as one of my top foodie countries. After visiting like 133 countries, Iraq might be in top 5, to be honest. I really think so. And it's so cool. Every plate comes with all the pickles. As you saw on the street earlier, pickles, all these little condiments, these sides, are very popular in every meal here. We're gonna try the chicken tikka pieces now. So we ate the OG kebab, but now we're gonna try this. Bismillah. Kebabs here, next level. A tikka here, next level. You gotta get both of them when you come visit. If I could pick one though, I'd pick the kebab. You saw them preparing it right in front of you. Right when it comes out of the oven, they bring it straight to your table. It's just like super, super fresh. You can actually see right here, they're cutting the meat in the back. They put it on the grill right away. It's as fresh as it gets. You don't get this many places in the world. This is why you come to Iraq. One thing I also gotta show you, they love these fat pieces. It always comes with the tikka skewers. And this is also very popular. People order just like whole skewers of this sometimes. Let's give it a try here. If you're a fan of fat pieces, you'll like it. I love it, honestly, personally. If you're looking for great kebabs, this is your spot. 100% come out here. We're gonna finish all of this, enjoy this, and then in a few hours, gonna go meet up with one of my local friends to go have a big maskoof dinner. So that would be really cool to show y'all. I'll see y'all in a little. All right, we are back. So we're gonna actually be at this place to end the day. It is nearby my hotel, and they say it's one of the top places in town for late night food in Iraq. They have like a bunch of falafel, they have sauce sandwiches, burgers, basically anything you need, this is the spot. So let's show you how late night food scene is out here. The name of this restaurant is Jabbar Abu Shrabat. It is one of the most popular places. Every time I walk by here, it's always fully packed. So last night I came 11 p.m. You couldn't find an empty table. Right now it's like 1:30, 2 a.m. You have a few empty tables. I think for tonight we gotta have falafel. Let's try the falafel here and show you how it's like. They have a whole falafel station right over here. You can pick any condiments you want and stuff it. So we got the falafel, eggplants, you have french fries, the cucumbers, the tomatoes. So when you order, they give you the slip right here. You just go here, hand it to them, and then they make the falafel sandwich for you. Shukran. Kul shima batata. We're getting it fully loaded. It's the only way to end the night here. Got the falafel. I like how they put the falafel on the bottom and on top. And then we got the eggplants, the potatoes. Shukran, habibi, shukran. So they hand it to you like this, and you can also get this stuff on a little side plate to go. We got 2 slips because we also got some juice. You know we gotta drink juice all the time here, so we're gonna try to get some pomegranate juice for now. Roman? Let's go. This whole cooler right here is just filled with pomegranate juice. This is all Roman right there. That is amazing. Yo. Shukran, habibi. You speak English?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Yunus.
Yunus. Where are you from?
Iraq.
Iraq. How was Iraq?
Very good.
Very good. I love Iraq.
What's your name?
My name Waleed.
Welcome.
Sharafna habibi. Shufak ma'asalam. We got the juice, we got the falafel. We're gonna go add a few toppings to it. It's kind of hard to vlog and add the toppings, so we'll add it and then show it to you after. All right, we got the goods. We filled it up fully, added all of the toppings, and then we also got a side plate Check it out. That's so cool how you can just keep filling it unlimited. And then we got the asir. So this time we got pomegranate. Earlier in the day we got the zabeeb. They have both options. Those are the two options you see at every store. But this whole thing right here, 2,000. This is like $1.40 for all of this food. It's amazing. Gotta try the pomegranate first up. It's hard to pick which one is better, pomegranate or zabeeb, because both of them are so good. I don't know, sometimes one of them like is better than the other. I can't really choose which one is better. They're both just too good. Also, they have this little cool AC mist that keeps blowing, so that's really nice. You keep cool while eating. But it's time to eat the falafel. Late night falafel here, almost 2 a.m. So awesome. Bismillah. Yo, this is easily the best falafel we've had so far on the trip. This place is really good. I don't know what it is, but their falafel hits different. Even when I was on the ride with the cream driver, he pointed this place out while he drove by. He was like, this is the good spot for falafel in Baghdad. This sandwich with this pomegranate juice and all you can eat sides. I love pickles. Like, I could just sit here and eat pickles all day long. All the spots I've been to today are elite, like easily top tier food. And all the spots I've been to today are amazing, top tier food in Iraq. There's so much more to explore too. Like, I have so many more places on my maps that I wanted to go, but I can't eat that much. But all the places I went to, 2 thumbs up. When you come to Iraq, you gotta visit them. You got to. Great meal here. Almost 2 a.m. on the streets of Baghdad. This is awesome. Like, this whole place, people are just eating their falafel. There's also another place right across the street that's also very famous. Everyone's doing the same thing, eating their falafel late night. I love it. I honestly love it, man. We're gonna finish eating all of this and then it'll be time to call it a night. So let's finish our falafel sandwich.